Somebody asked me about what is the qualification for Facebook monetization now. Hello guys and welcome to Big Benji. Today I want to talk about this content monetization. If you have content monetization tool, congratulations. But hey, I want to give this as I want to let everyone know that if you are in Africa, generally, whether a monetized country or a country that's not been monetized, don't set up stars, don't set up subscription. These two are not eligible in any, they are not eligible in any African country. Ghana is eligible for Facebook monetization, but excluding stars and subscription. And Nigeria is the same. South Africa is the same. I don't know about if South Africa is also eligible for stars, but I'll advise you, if you're in Africa and you have monetized your page, unless you are using the Manova system of monetization, that is, if your monetization is not from Africa, if your monetization location is not from Africa, fine. But if you are monetized in Africa, under African monetization policy, you shouldn't set up stars or subscriptions. You get why? If you want your page to be safe, avoid this and your page will be good. Know that if you are, for instance, in Nigeria or Ghana, where it's eligible for monetization, you set up stars and subscription, your monetization will be taken off. Why? Because those options that you're setting up are not permitted in these countries. And if you do, automatically, you have a very long period of time to appeal for your monetization to be restored. So, learn this and make sure you don't make errors. Content monetization, people have been asking, what are the criteria of becoming? I'll advise you to be posting all the three means of earnings: videos, text, write-ups and photos if you want to receive. So basically, it is not more like before, where you must have 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch minutes. No, now if you have 5,000, if you have 1,000 followers and your page is active, don't be surprised, you can receive content monetization. And if you have a big platform that hasn't received content monetization, or you're not yet monetized, please, you can inbox me or comment below. Let me teach you something. God bless you and see you in the next video.